The bow spindle, a tool primarily used for fire making, represents a crucial innovation in the technological and cultural history of North America's indigenous peoples. Its invention enabled early humans to efficiently produce fire, a critical resource, of course, for warmth, cooking, and protection. The bow spindle's history intertwines with humanity's mastery of tools, highlighting its enduring importance in the survival and adaptation of Native American societies and societies across the world. The bow spindle, also known as the bow drill, likely emerged independently in various parts of the world as early humans sought reliable methods to generate fire. In North America, archaeological evidence suggests that fire-making techniques, including friction-based methods, were in use as early as the Paleo-Indian period, approximately 12,000 years ago. The exact timeline of when bow spindles specifically became widespread in North America is uncertain, but they likely evolved as an enhancement to simpler friction fire tools like the hand drill. The bow spindle's innovation lies in its mechanical advantage. By using a bow to rotate a spindle against a hearthboard, it significantly reduces the physical effort required compared to other methods. This efficiency made it a practical and effective tool for many indigenous groups, especially in regions with harsh climates where fire was more essential for survival. The construction and functionality of a typical bow spindle consists of four primary components. 1. The bow. The bow was a curved piece of wood strung with a cord often made from animal sinew, rawhide, or plant fibers. Number 2. The spindle. The spindle was a straight, smooth stick usually made from hardwood, which is rotated to generate heat. Number 3. The hearthboard. The hearthboard was a flat piece of wood, often from softer woods like cedar or cottonwood, which serves as the base where friction creates an ember. And number 4, the handhold. The handhold was a piece of stone, bone, or hard wood used to stabilize the spindle while reducing friction on the user's hand. And I actually have a handhold stone that I found here in my area that was used by someone of ancient times. Here it is. So here we have an artifact that was found within my local area, and this would have been a handhold. They would have used this device to prevent as much friction with the bow spindle. And how do we identify this as a handhold? Well, it comes in the hole here, of course. So the hole has rotary marks, which is indicative of some sort of fire starting practice. Let's see if I can get a good shot on that. There, you can see it real good right there. There is the rotary marks. You see one right there, and it continues to spiral down. This little chip right here, they actually they chipped that out. They decided they didn't like the angle, so this is the second chip. Generally, to start these holes, they'd get a soft rock like this, and they would pluck it out with another rock to get the hole started. But nonetheless, this is indeed a bow spindle socket. They would have used it like this and stuck it up. I don't have a bow spindle with me right now, but you can see where they would use it with the pictures. Pretty cool stuff. This is a fairly old piece, I'm pretty sure. It even has some weird stuff going on down here. But nonetheless, that is very indicative of a handhold stone to start a fire. Very cool stuff, you guys. Back to the video. The bow spindle's use varied among indigenous American tribes and cultures based on environmental resources and cultural practices. For example, tribes in arid regions such as the Southwest relied heavily on fire-making tools due to the scarcity of natural fire sources like lightning strikes. The materials used for bow spindles also reflected regional availability. In forested areas, cultures or tribes utilized wood types abundant in their surroundings, while in desert regions they incorporated hardy plant stems or roots. In addition to fire making, similar spindle technology was adapted for other purposes, such as drilling holes in materials like shells or wood, demonstrating the tool's versatility. Beyond its practical applications, fire held spiritual significance for many indigenous American cultures, and the act of creating fire with a bow spindle was often imbued with ritualistic importance, symbolizing the harnessing of nature's power and the continuation of life. Stories and traditions surrounding fire creation were passed down through generations, reinforcing the tool's role in both survival and cultural identity. Although modern fire-making methods have largely replaced traditional techniques, the bow spindle remains a powerful symbol of human ingenuity and resilience. In survival training, historical reenactments, and cultural education, the bow spindle is celebrated as a testament to the skill and resourcefulness of our people of the past. In contemporary times, the bow spindle also serves as a reminder of the intricate knowledge indigenous Americans developed to live harmoniously with their environments. The tool's history underscores the importance of preserving indigenous traditions and recognizing their contributions to human advancement. Thank you for watching this video, and if you enjoyed, I have tons of content like this regarding the topics very correlated to this topic, so please make sure to check out my channel. You'll probably like it. Make sure to hit that subscribe, like, comment, all that cool YouTube stuff, and for the time being, it has been Doogie from Doogie's Earthworks, and I love you.